Good example. Don't lose these clips. Looks like there's only a few. This thing looks pretty easy to take apart, really. I think there's one screw in some of these clips. I'm gonna put the phone down for a second. Okay, I removed 3 clips, as you can see, and those were right there. And this is the front side. So that clip was right there, and one right there. And now, if you turn the unit over, looks like you got. Now this is the front side of the unit. So you got one right there, one right there, one right there, and one right there. So 4 screws. All right, I'm gonna take those off real quick. Sorry, it's just me. Okay, I'm about to take this thing apart, and look, it's just pulling right off, very easily. So 4 screws and 3 nuts, and it's coming right off. And there's the Big Daddy. That is, of course, your heater core. And look, I got leaks there. I got leaks all in this big bad joker. And look at the debris. I got stuff all in here. There's your evaporator valve. I guess this thing just pulls right out. Yeah. I want to keep that. Look, and that's all it is, just a couple Allen screws. Reattach a new one to the evaporator valve. Put it all back together. Boom. Toyota wanted $800 for this whole job, which is, I understand. This is pretty easy though. Found one of these for $150. Nissan dealer wanted $274. So as you can see, not a huge deal. I'm gonna clean this out because you can get smell and stuff, and get a new core, and I'm in business. All right.